Namaste student, this is the third part of the Parallelogram chapter problem solving. Here we have 4 questions, we'll discuss it. Let's see one by one. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a parallelogram and the line segment AE and CF bisect the angle A and C respectively. Show that AE parallels to CF. So they are asking here, we have parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram, that means opposite angles are equal. Okay, and opposite sides are equal. Next, what they are saying here, that line segment AE and CF bisect the angle A. Bisect the angle A means, as you can see, that this angle must be equal to this. Half of A, half of A. AE is the angle bisector, that means half of A, half of A. And this is your CF is the angle bisector, that means half of C and half of C. Both are, you will going to write half A, half A. And this is your half C and the half C. Okay. And we know the angle, opposite angles are equal. So we can say that half of opposite angle are also equal. So here, what they are asking, that is they are asking that AE parallels to CF. So to show that AE parallels to CF, if we show that AE equals to your CF, okay, and what, opposite sides are equal, and if you say another opposite sides are parallel, then we can say that they are parallelogram. Very simple concept we're going to use here. Okay, so now we're going to proceed and we'll check it here. So in triangle, we're going to try to prove it congruent. Which one? Triangle ADE, and triangle will take here, as you can see that A is same to which one? C. So we're going to write the angle CBF. It's a very important order. So here we have AD equals to your CB, opposite sides of parallelogram. Next, angle D, okay, the name is ADE, equals to angle CBF. CBF, these two are equal, that is opposite angles are, or opposite angles of parallelogram, we'll mention like this. Okay, next, angle A equals to what? Angle C. This implies half of angle A equals to half of angle C. Therefore the half of angle A means what? We can write here angle DAE, and for this one half of angle C we can write here, see here we have written DAE, that means BCF, angle BCF. So these two are equal. So therefore we can say that triangle ADE congruent to triangle CBF. Reason, here you can see that two angle and one side. So this side is inside of this two angle, that means ASA. So by ASA criteria we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. That means we can say here AE equals to your CF. So mention here AE equals to your CF, and beside we'll write here CT. Okay, as these two are equal, and we're going to mention here, and in quadrilateral, in chord, if you see here in chord, what we can see that AE in chord AFCE, as you can see here AE equals to what? CF. And what you can see that AF parallels to CE. Reason, since AB parallels to CD. as ABCD is parallelogram. That's why opposite sides are parallel, and if opposite sides are parallel, then parts of the parallel line are also parallel. That's why we have written here A parallel. So, and by these two criteria we can say that therefore AFCE is parallelogram, and if it is parallelogram we can say that AE parallels to CF. This way we have to prove it. Okay, quite lengthy but very interesting. Okay, next question will proceed. Question number 10. The length of the diagonal of a rhombus are given here, 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. Find the length of its sides. So here we're going to draw the diagonal of rhombus first. So here we have the diagonal. This is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. Okay, so whichever the bigger one, bigger is this one. As you can see, the quite lengthy length according to this one. So this is your 16, and 16 will break into two parts, that is 8 centimeter 8 centimeter, and this 12 will break into 6 centimeter 6 centimeter, and if we give the name A B C D, so we have this one. And we know that what the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. So we'll write here, we know what we know. We know diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So we're going to give name O. So therefore we can say that, so therefore in triangle we're going to take one triangle, or before taking the triangle, just you say that therefore we can say that OA equals to OC equals to 8 centimeter, and the second one we'll get here OB equals to OD equals to 6 centimeter. Now we're going to write a triangle name, any one of them you take, as we have already written here box this side. So we'll take this one BOC, or you can say that AOB, whatever you want to take. As you can see here, each will give you 90 degree. Okay, so therefore in triangle BOC we'll mention here that what in BOC angle BOC equals to 90 degree. Therefore we can say what that is, this is, if we'll take a right angle triangle, I hope you have seen right angle triangle, this is opposite, this one hypotenuse, and this is a perpendicular, and this is your base. So hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square, and this is the Pythagoras theorem. If it is a right angle triangle, this theorem will going to follow. That means, and if we'll take this part and we'll get here h equals to root over b square plus b square. So here if you see the opposite of 90 degree, this means your hypotenuse. So here we're going to write therefore BC equals to root over your BC. This is your triangle name, so BOC. So we are going to here OB square, we have here OB square plus OA square, and beside we're going to write by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem you need to mention here, so very much important. Now we'll substitute the value, that is OB. OB means what? That is your 6 centimeters. So 6 square and 8 square will get here 36 plus 64, and we'll get here 100. Root over 100, and 100 is 10 centimeters. So your answer BC equals to 10 centimeter. So length of, as we know that BC is what? So length of the rhombus, and we know that each side of the rhombus is what? Equal. So therefore we'll get here 10 centimeter. So let's proceed for the 11th one. So in the given figure we have ABCD is a square, find the measure of CAD. So if you see, this is x and this is also x. Why, sir? Because both sides are equal here, and there we are getting a 90 degree. If both sides are equal, so they are asking CAD, and we need to find here CAD, and they have given here 90 degree. As it is a square, so if you get or not, you need to think that each side of a, not each side, each angle of a square is what? 90 degree. So you need to take it here CDA as a 90 degree. Now what we have, where we have ABCD is a square. So if ABCD is a square, then what we can say that in triangle ADC, we can say that AD equals to CD. Opposite sides of square. Okay, opposite sides you can take here. Each sides are equal. Each sides of a square are equal to one another, you can say here. That's what you're getting. And if sides are equal in a triangle, then their opposite angle must be equal. That means this angle must be equal to this. If we'll give the name 1 and 2, then 1 plus 1, not plus 1, equals to 2. So this implies AD. Opposite of AD is what? Angle 2. We'll mention here the angle 2 equals to angle 1. Okay. So now we know that sum of the interior angle of a triangle is what? Supplementary. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus the name is what? ADC. So angle ADC equals to 180 degree, and we'll write here angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. So just simply you write, because we have already written the headline in triangle, so you mention angle sum property. So therefore we have the angle A, as they are asking here CAD. So if you see here CAD, that means the angle A name is CAD. So instead of angle A1, you write here angle CAD. 2 also angle CAD. So both are equal here, as you can see that. So 2 times of CAD, and this one we have what? 90 degree. So 180. So we'll get here 2 times of CAD equals to 90 degree. 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. Now angle CAD equals to what? 45 degree. This is your answer. Why? Divided by 2, we'll get here 45 degree. Okay, and the last problem here we have, that is the side of a rectangle are in the ratio 5:4, and its perimeter is 90 centimeter, find its length and breadth. So let the length and breadth be, or you can say that sides. So you take anyone, as first one always give you length. So generally we write here, let the length be 5x and breadth be 4x. Then now we know what we know. We have taken this one, and we know that what? Perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, there is a formula, that is what? 2 into L plus B, with the length plus breadth. That means perimeter are already given, that is the 90 centimeter. We'll mention here, and we substitute here that L is what? 5x, and that B is what? 4x. We'll add here. So we'll get this side, this 2 divide 90 by 2, we'll get here 45 centimeter, and this side we'll add, we'll get here 9x. Now divide this one, we'll get here 45 by 9, and this side we'll get x, and this 5. That means x equals to 5. Therefore length equals to what? 5x. So we write here 5 into 5, we'll get here 25 centimeter, and the breadth equals to what? 4x. That means 4 into 5, we'll get here 20 centimeter. This is our answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.